This side-by-side counter-depth refrigerator by Frigidaire is part of the Gallery series. It has a fresh food capacity of 14.1 and a freezer capacity of 8 for a total capacity of 22.1 cubic feet. It features a smudge-proof stainless front with two two-toned Gallery-style handles and an external ice and water dispenser. The controls for the refrigerator and freezer are located on the dispenser. Inside is a pure air filter, a pure source water filter, bright LED lighting, and 4 glass shelves. 3 are spill-proof and adjustable. 1 is stationary. Below the shelves is 1 chill drawer and 2 humidity-controlled crispers. On the door is the dairy compartment, can holders, and 4 storage bins. 2 are fully adjustable. 1 is deep enough to hold a gallon of milk. All door bins are removable for cleaning. In the freezer is LED lighting, the ice maker, ice storage, 3 wire shelves, 2 pull-out wire baskets, and 4 storage bins on the door.